Epson WF-7720. WF-7720 is fourth on the list and is a well-known printer for sublimation, and it is actually quite good with 13x19 prints on simple sheets and paper to create absolutely beautiful prints. It also has a 4.3 touchscreen settings menu for convenient use. Just make sure you have adequate room to accommodate this huge size printer. It can be connected to Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and NFC. It's one of a kind since it supports NFC. The WF-7720 connects to Android, Mac, iOS, and Windows 7, 8, and 10 operating systems. This 4-in-1 printer can copy, scan, fax, and print with a 35-sheet ADF for scanning. Furthermore, the 500-sheet storage, 2 trays, a rear feed for specialist paper, and a 125-sheet output slot simplify paper management for printing. Automatic 2-sided printing makes quick printing a breeze. This printer features Epson Remote Print, Epson Email, and iPrint registration. Although paper printing is less costly, sublimation printing is far more complex and requires much more power. In addition, color printouts with a resolution of 4800 x 2400 dpi and a speed of 10 ISO ppm fall into the rapid printing group. This printer, on the other hand, prioritizes quality over speed. Check out this printer through the link provided in the description. 5.